they are providing us a platform to innovate our new ideas. So if you are having any project which are patentable, you can directly communicate some these kind of companies. So they can provide you the platform. Also, they will help you economically. They will help you atmosphere. They can provide you the infrastructure, right? They will provide you the services like how to do the business, or they are providing the basic services like internet services. They are providing you the working area. So if you are doing any patents, if you are doing any IPR kind of work, if you are doing any copyright work, so you can communicate with such companies. So whatever information you will get in these companies, you have to acquire it, you have to mention it, you have to take note of it. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.